Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's understand the Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. As you see, since this week has started, market has been repeating the same behavior. Let me explain you. सबसे पहले देखो मंडे को मार्केट ओपन होता है, बायर्स को बुलाता है और फिर नीचे जाके क्लोजिंग करते समय मार्केट ऊपर चले जाता है. ठीक है. ट्यूसडे को मार्केट ओपन होता है, ऊपर जाता है, बायर्स को इनवाइट करता है, नीचे जाके एक सपोर्ट जोन से ऊपर जाके क्लोजिंग दे देता है. ठीक है. वेडनेसडे को भी मार्केट ओपन होता है ऊपर, बायर्स को इनविटेशन देता है, फिर उसके बाद नीचे जाके बायर्स को निकाल के फिर क्लोजिंग के टाइम ऊपर क्लोज हो जाता है. अगेन आज थर्सडे के दिन में मार्केट गैप अप ओपन हुआ, एक ब्रेकआउट दिया, बायर्स को बुलाया, फिर बायर्स को निकाला, फिर क्लोजिंग के टाइम पे वापस बुलिश क्लोजिंग देती है. ठीक है. तो इट्स बीन 4 days, market has been creating the same price behavior and market has been removing the buyers every day. Okay, so what can be done for tomorrow? Let's understand. As you see, if we get a price open above this level, okay, and if we get a breakout failure below this level, okay, if breakout get failed and if price will keep on coming below this level, we can go for sell till this level. Okay, that is a case number 1. And tomorrow if we open a price below this level and then if we get a support, then there is a high probability that this support get broken, because it's been 1 2 3 days market has been taking the support. So now maybe when price is today given this bullish momentum, so buyers must have come. Okay, so when price open gap down, more buyer will come. When price will start taking the support of the same level, so to take their SL, price might give a breakdown. Okay, so in case of gap down, if we get a price only, if in case of gap down, if we get a price on support level and if we see any weak buying, in that case we can go for sell. Okay, that is a case number 2. And case number was, if we get a price open of this level and if we get a price below this closing level, in that case we can go for sell. Also, if we get a price open this level and if price will give the breakout, that means we will consider that SL of the sellers will be hitting, because these sellers must have placed their SL above this level. Okay, so when price will open gap up and will give breakout, so the SL will start getting hit and price will keep on going upside. Okay, still we will take trade tomorrow above this level or below this level, because this is a very consolidation zone, so we cannot take a risk of taking trade between this zone. Okay, so these are going to be a trading plan for tomorrow. Thank you so much.